Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with nCLOSE. Today I'm going to show you how to install an Edynamo into an nCLOSE Elite Enclosure and an iPad mini 4.5. First off, I want to show you that you have these little slots right here so that if a tablet's inside, you just put a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife in there, turn it to the left or the right, and it pops open. If you don't have a tablet in, you simply put your fingers in and kind of pull up and out, then the clips on the side release and your case is ready to go. To put the tablet in, it's very simple. You actually take the tablet, make sure that the charging port is down on this end, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to line up the top part here, and then once you line that up, you're just basically going to squeeze down from the sides. It clips together, you're ready to go. At the same time, we're now going to install the Edynamo with the new nCLOSE independent charger that allows you to charge the tablet at PD speeds if it supports it. The Mini 5 Gen, the 10.2 Gens, as of the most recent versions, all support super high and fast power. So you will notice the tablet charge in about 40 minutes if you're using the nCLOSE 45 watt PD charger and our provided cables. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna go ahead and take out the screws. I've done that ahead of time. Also, you take your Edynamo and you notice you have a couple cables. One of the cables is gonna go into the reader. It's a micro USB. Go ahead and take that, make sure it's seated, and then you basically just set it in here and push down. With that said, we're now going to go ahead and install our circuit. Notice on the circuit you have an H and a P. The P is the peripheral or the credit card reader, the H is the host. If you mess that up, your system will not charge properly, and I just want to point that out. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the two tongue and grooves on both sides and push this in. You then come in with your USB-C cable. You put it into the port and you press it in. At the same time, you can now take your host cable, and depending on if you're using a Lightning tablet or a USB-C, you will notice we have C-to-C cables. Both can be right angles or straight depending on what module you're using. And in this particular case, it's a Lightning. So what I'm going to do right now is basically I put my credit card module top on. I'm ready to secure the case together for the module. I take these two screws and I secure them. And now I turn both devices over, the tablet and the payment module. I take my cable for my tablet and I plug it in. Notice right here and right here are two grooves. Those grooves align with your case. And so once you get your credit card reader down, you slide that on, it clicks in, you take your two screws, you secure those, and now your tablet and your credit card reader are fully ready to go. What you would want to do now is add a hand strap or a quick release if you're going to be mounting this and want the option to have a fixed to mobile solution. But here it is, the nCLOSE iPad mini with Edynamo. Thank you.